Here at the Church Law Group, we've developed a program to help churches take necessary steps to ensure safety of the children in their care. We call it the Guardian System, and within that system is the acronym STOP, S-T-O-P. S stands for screen. Make sure all staff volunteers have been properly screened, including written applications, criminal background checks, personal interviews, and reference checks. The T in STOP stands for training, providing the necessary child care training to your staff and volunteers. O stands for operate, conduct child care operations according to established and accepted policies and procedures. Make sure those procedures and policies are followed. The worst position a church can find itself in is having a great plan that is never followed. And the P in STOP stands for having an agreed upon plan on how to respond to any claim that a child has been injured or abused while in the church's care. Plans should include which authorities to notify, when to notify them, identifying victim or victims, notifying a church's insurance carrier, public relations and media strategy, and also how to respond to questions from the congregation.